Karnataka bags a $115 billion investment. But there's more to the story. Karnataka just pulled in a whopping $115 billion in investments, and the plan is to create 20 lakh jobs. The headline screams success, obviously. But here's the real question. Will this actually transform the state? Or is this just another round of big promises? Mahindra, JSW and Lam Research signed massive deals. New industrial policy of 2024 to 2029 has been introduced, and Bengaluru is touted to lead India's AI revolution. The numbers look great. The vision sounds even better. But what does this exactly mean for Karnataka's future and for India's AI future? Let's first break down where the money is coming from. Mahindra Group is putting in 40,000 crore INR into EVs and renewables. JSW Group is putting in 1.2 lakh crore INR in steel production. And LAM Research is putting in 10,000 crore INR for semiconductor manufacturing. These investments promise to make Karnataka India's industrial powerhouse. But let's be real, big MOUs don't always turn into action. How much of this will actually materialize? To make it easier for businesses, Karnataka just launched the industrial policy of 2024 to 2029. The goal? Faster approvals, bigger incentives, and more jobs. Single window clearance to cut red tape. PLI or capital subsidy, where investors get to choose. Green manufacturing incentives. All of this sounds great. But here is the challenge. Indian bureaucracy is legendary for slowing things down. Will this policy actually make a difference or just add another layer of paperwork? The government claims that this plan will create 20 lakh job opportunities. But there's a problem. Skill shortage. Are workers actually ready for these jobs? Vocational training and ITI upskilling plans are announced. But will industry needs match government programs? We've seen this before. Big job targets, but companies struggling to find the right talent. Will Karnataka get it right this time around? If Bengaluru is India's AI capital, why did Tech Mahindra already build an Indian LLM under $5 million? And why is Pune ahead of Bengaluru in AI innovation? Now let's for a second come back to the investments received by Karnataka. These announcements sound great, but real success depends on execution. And India cannot afford to wait. What do you think? Will these investments change the game, or is it just another round of corporate and government PR? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For more updates from the tech and AI world, don't forget to follow AIM Media House. Think AI, think AIM.